So hello, it's me, Chicago, Lynn. I'm doing a video because here's one thing I'm really I'm really passionate about. I'm not passionate. It's embarrassing, I'm losing my hair. It's a thing, and it's like people laugh and they're oh, look at the bright spot on her head, and then you take it and you clip it and you send your friends, and it's like, if I had to see it, you have to see it. I do that shit to my friends too. I show big fat cankles and fucked up hands and hairy noses and the mustaches and beards and wonky eyebrows. I do the same thing. So I get it. The warty hands, and I do that. Nasty toes. No, I don't, because I hate toes. So that was a straight lie. That was a straight fucking lie. Outside of just sending people pictures of my operated on foot, which they don't like and appreciate. So there's that. But I was on the phone with my friend and I got a targeted ad from SpoiledChild, and I don't have my freaking glasses on. Okay, anyway, they make up these hair things for you, and you get to, I don't know how long you get to try them for, and then they charge your credit card, which that's fine. I'm fine with spending the money outright. I don't have to wait and test and see, and if it's bad, it's bad. It just gets a bad review. So I'm going to try this product, and we're going to see if it does anything for the old chrome dome here. Not fully a chrome dome, thank God. I made borscht today because it's Christmas Eve, and I cut my finger, we'll use the choppers, and I legit cut my finger so bad. It's been bleeding literally for like 7 hours now. What the fuck is wrong with my clotting time? This is my glow-in-the-dark Support Ukraine bracelet. I love it. Anyway, so hello, welcome. Don't sub to channel, just watch the video and enjoy. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now really, let's get into this. Now you're just gonna see, don't be fucking peeking at my floor and bitching about my floor. Can you see the box? Can you see the box? I can see my lap. Hold on. No, I need you to see the box. See the box. I think you can see the box. SpoiledChild. ASMR. ASMR. Okay, so it comes in a box like this. And I said, oh, Nick, look, you got me something for Yuki Christmas. Thank you. I wish I had been a spoiled child. And he's like, oh, you can be a spoiled child. I said, it's too late. I'm a grown-ass woman with a whole-ass kid. And I'm a mom and a wife. So it's too late for me to be a spoiled child. And their website is, come on, Lynn, you should know this. You just had it. Okay, is it literally SpoiledChild? It is. It's SpoiledChild.com. Okay, so I really can't see well. Okay, so in the box, it says powered by Spoiled Brain. Oh my God, they give you a silk hair scrunchie because they're like, wow. Oh, and it's a subscription service. I guess you can subscribe to it. I'm just letting this be welcome to capsule culture. Bitch, I was in capsule culture before there was a capsules out here. Jesus God. Obsessed with the capsules and the pills and everything. It's a joke. It's a joke. Okay. Welcome to capsule culture. Stay immature. Oh my God, this is me. Oh my God, look at stickers. They give you stickers. $60 for stickers. Yay! I'm gonna put those bitches on my Mac, right? The future of wellness. Choose change. The spoiled are smart. Proven pioneer tech. All right. So I went through and I got targeted, obviously, for, what number is this? Hold on. Hold the phone, please. It says A22. And my friend B, he said, why are you going to pay that much money for bullshit stuff that you can already put in your hair? And I'm like, I think there's other stuff with it. Because, again, I'm not too sure about it. Okay, can we see it better? Can we see it better? Better than what? Okay. So this is A22. And let me read to you what it says about A22. So you go to hair, reverse damages of old ideas. And they have like liquid collagen. They have hair growth straightening liquid, $89 a bottle. The liquid collagen with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and collagen peptides is only $55. There's another one. That's the same one, A22. So this is the one I got. Can it be seen? Okay. This is the A22 Biotin Boost Hair Scalp Serum with biotin, niacinamide, and rosemary oil. So that's why B's like, you can do that on your own. There's so many different things to choose from. So this says, increase the appearance of thicker, fuller, healthier hair with this innovative blend of 100 plus vitamins, minerals, amino acids, essential oils that have been shown to support your natural, healthy hair cycle and to combat signs of thinning and shedding. Shedding is the new PC way to say you're going bald. Bitch, you're going bald. So yeah, that's like the nice proper way to say it. So this is only $59. You can subscribe and get it for $53.10 if you want to. And since it's over $40, it's free shipping. And okay, so I'm going to open the box. I don't think it really looks like this. I think they're just showing you what it looks like inside. So I'm going to go on this journey, and I'm going to take you guys with me. Okay, use it daily. So you have to put like, must use daily. Well, you're supposed to use like 7 squeezes. Oh my gosh, look. It's a 90-day supply. It does look like a capsule, doesn't it? Can you open it? Okay, for first use, remove cap. Press pump down until you hear a click. Okay. All right, so I guess there's a tube. Ooh. Oh my God, it feels like there's something springy in there. 90-day supply, 90-day treatment. Okay, so that, I didn't know that. All right, so 90 days for $60. That's less than $1 a day, I'm sure. Math kills, okay? Just get used to it. Math kills. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what it says. But yeah, so this is a journey that I'm going to be on. I'm going to be on the spoiled child journey. I'm going to be welcome to the capsule culture. Welcome to capsule culture. It is SpoiledChild.com. And, you know, I'm positive that after 3 weeks, I should see a difference or not see a difference, right? And if there is a difference, I will definitely be buying the different shampoos. They have so many different things for hair. But if it's scammaz in the house, you know I'm going to tell you, right? Because people work too hard for their damn monies. And scamming ain't right. I'm telling you now, people, scamming ain't right. I don't need the hair masks. I don't need any of that. Hair growth and strengthening liquid. Saw palmetto, biotin, anagran, and you. $90. Okay, no, I'm not going to buy it now. Okay, no. Okay. I'm going to try this spray right now. So you spray it on your scalp and you use it every day, and then you style your hair. So wish me good luck. Thanks. I'm doing this because, you know, I have a friend. His name is Mr. Hand. You might know him from Bee's chair. Bee's husband is Mr. Hand. And so I'm being friend hand. Like, okay, no, that didn't work. Okay. All right, this works. Okay. Fist bump. Okay, yeah, cut yourself with your rings, dummy. But yeah, so like fist bump, do something. I don't know. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. No, put it down. Put it down. Nobody needs to see your fat belly. No, they don't. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, and I will keep you up to date on the journey. Okay, this is a journey we're taking. It's a journey. It's a journey. It's a journey. And I'm gonna do a tour. I'm gonna do a tour just for my friends. I'm gonna do a tour of. Because it's Christmas Eve. You know, I collect my shit. Oh my God, I got too much of this stuff. This company is going to bankrupt me. I'm so excited though. You just saw it in the box. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to figure out how to use it. And if I can get it back in the box, I'll put it back in the box and I'll be like, oh my God, this is how it looks. But usually their packaging is like chef's kiss. It's like really freaking awesome. Okay, that's enough. Goodbye. Merry Christmas. If you're Orthodox, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye.